Imagine a world where the line between biology and machinery evaporates. Deep within a high-security facility, a silent revolution is breathing life into cold steel. This isn't science fiction anymore. We are witnessing the birth of the most advanced humanoid robot ever created. But the real question is, are we ready for what happens when it wakes up? For decades, we dreamed of mechanical servants that could walk, talk, and think like us. Today, that dream has become a trillion-dollar reality. Behind these reinforced doors, the laws of physics are being pushed to their absolute breaking point. SFX. Deep Cinematic Pulse. What you are about to see will fundamentally change your perception of the future. Is this the pinnacle of human engineering, or the beginning of our own obsolescence? The race for the perfect humanoid has reached a fever pitch, and one machine stands at the absolute top of the hierarchy. Join us as we go where cameras are rarely allowed. This is the secret world of the hidden AI factory. Welcome to the nerve center of the robotics revolution. This massive facility spans over 5 million square feet, a cathedral of glass and titanium dedicated to a single goal: perfecting the human form in silicon. Here, the world's most elite engineers and AI researchers are rewriting the rules of labor, manufacturing, and even companionship. This isn't just a factory. It is the birthplace of a new species. The technology developed within these walls influences the global economy, from the U.S. tech sector to the heart of international logistics. If you're fascinated by how this tech is shaping our world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. You won't want to miss our future deep dives. Every component, from the microscopic sensors to the high-torque actuators, is designed for one purpose: total autonomy. This factory represents the ultimate convergence of artificial intelligence and mechanical precision. As the heavy blast doors slide open, the smell of ozone and sterilized metal fills the air. SFX. Hydraulicus. Our journey into the core begins now. The process starts with raw materials that seem ordinary but are anything but. Ultra-lightweight carbon composites and aerospace-grade aluminum alloys arrive by the ton. These materials must be strong enough to support robots' weight, yet agile enough to mimic the fluid grace of a professional athlete. The scale of the operation is staggering. Giant robotic arm welding sparks, massive industrial arms move with terrifying speed and surgical precision. They are the giants building the subordinates. Watch as high-powered lasers cut through metal sheets like butter, guided by AI that calculates dimensions to the nearest micron. In this environment, human error has been completely engineered out of the equation. As we move deeper, the sound of rhythmic clanking echoes through the hall. SFX. Metallic Factory Echo. This is the skeleton assembly line. Here, the bones of a humanoid are bolted together by high-speed specialized bots. Each joint is tested for a range of motion that exceeds the human body. It is a hauntingly beautiful mechanical ballet. Have you ever wondered which company will ultimately win the humanoid race? Let us know your pick in the comments below. Is it Tesla, Boston Dynamics, or someone we haven't seen yet? Your insights help us build a better community. Now, look closely at the central nervous system being installed into the chassis. Thousands of miles of fiber optic cabling and copper wiring are woven through the frame. These represent the nerves, carrying data at the speed of light from the extremities to the central processor. A single loose connection could mean total system failure. This level of complexity is why only a handful of facilities on Earth can do this. We now approach the heart section. This is where the high-density battery packs are integrated. These aren't your standard lithium cells. They are next-generation solid-state powerhouses. They provide the massive burst of energy required for complex balancing and heavy lifting, allowing the robot to operate for 24 hours straight without a single charge. The assembly moves to the hydraulic fluid station. High-pressure lines are purged and filled with synthetic oils that act as the robot's blood. This fluid allows the actuators to exert thousands of pounds of force with the gentleness of a human hand. It is a paradox of power and finesse that defines the modern humanoid. Macro shot of robotic eye moving. Next comes a head assembly. This is the most delicate stage of the build. Engineers use specialized vacuum tools to seat the multi-spectral cameras and LiDAR sensors into the skull. These are the eyes that see in pitch darkness and perceive the world in three-dimensional data clouds. Notice the silence in this sector. The air is filtered to a level cleaner than an operating room. A single speck of dust could ruin a sensor or short-circuit a processor. This is where the brain, the localized AI inference engine, is finally slotted into place. The machine is now physically complete, but it is still hollow. The logistics of this factory are a marvel in themselves. Autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, glide across the floor, delivering parts just seconds before they are needed. They communicate through a private 6G network, ensuring that the production line never stops. It is a seamless, self-optimizing organism of pure efficiency. We've reached the midway point of the assembly. If you're finding this look inside the future incredible, consider sharing this video with a friend who loves tech. It really helps the channel grow. But keep watching, because the next phase is where the machine truly begins to think for the very first time. Now, the robot enters the skinning department. Here, soft-touch elastomers and specialized fabrics are applied over the metal frame. This isn't just for aesthetics. It protects the internal components from dust and moisture. Some models even feature self-healing polymers that can repair small punctures or scratches automatically. It's a touch of biological mimicry. Precision engineering is the heartbeat of this facility. We are looking at billion-dollar CNC machines that can carve engine blocks or humanoid hip joints with zero human intervention. The cost of a single mistake here could fund a small city's budget for a year. The stakes are as high as the technology itself. Every robot then undergoes a stress test. They are placed on treadmills and subjected to extreme heat, cold, and vibration. Engineers watch from behind reinforced glass as the humanoids are pushed to their structural limits. If a joint fails, the entire batch is halted for a deep dive forensic analysis. The scale of the supply chain is mind-boggling. Parts arrive from every corner of the globe. Rare earth magnets from Asia, processors from the US, and high-precision gears from Europe. The hidden AI factory is the point where the world's greatest engineering achievements converge into a single, walking, talking entity. What makes this the best robot in the world? It isn't just the hardware. It's the way the hardware disappears. When you watch it move, you forget you're looking at a machine. It possesses a fluidity that was thought impossible just 3 years ago. But the secret sauce is hidden deep within the code. We are about to enter the most secretive part of the facility, the software integration lab. This is where the soul is uploaded. If you're enjoying this deep dive, hitting the like button tells YouTube to show this to more tech enthusiasts like you. Coming up next, how the AI actually learns to walk. In the software lab, the robot is suspended in a massive gimbal. For the first time, power is surged through its systems. SFX, power up hum. The AI doesn't come pre-programmed with movements. It learns through reinforcement learning. It dreams through millions of simulated steps before it ever touches a real floor. Imagine a child learning to walk, but at the speed of a supercomputer. The AI attempts to balance, fails, and tries again 10,000 times every second. This iterative process allows the humanoid to adapt to any terrain, from slippery ice to shifting sand, with uncanny stability. It is evolution on fast forward. Human supervisors monitor the neural sync. They ensure the AI's goals align with human safety protocols. These engineers are the guardians of the off switch. Though as the systems become more complex, the concept of a simple switch becomes increasingly complicated. They are teaching the machine to understand the physical world's nuances. The factory floor is a landscape of constant motion. While the humanoids are the stars, the machines that build them are equally impressive. We see robotic arms that change their own tools, adapting from welding to polishing in seconds. This flexibility is a hallmark of the fourth industrial revolution, and it's happening right here. As we move toward the quality control labs, we see the vision tests. The humanoid is presented with random objects: a coffee cup, a delicate egg, a heavy wrench. It must identify, pick up, and manipulate each item perfectly. The precision required to hold an egg without breaking it is a massive milestone for AI. The sensors in the fingertips are more sensitive than humans. They can detect texture, temperature, and pressure with incredible accuracy. This allows a robot to perform tasks ranging from complex surgery to heavy construction. It is the ultimate general-purpose tool designed for a changing world. But who is funding all of this? The investment required is astronomical. Venture capitalists, tech giants, and even government agencies are all pouring billions into this factory. They know that the first company to create a truly reliable, mass-producible humanoid will effectively own the future of labor and the global economy. Behind the scenes, the central data control room acts as the factory's brain. Massive walls of screens display real-time analytics for every single robot on the line. AI algorithms predict when a machine might fail before it actually does, scheduling maintenance without human intervention. This is what we call a lights-out factory. The industrial IoT network connects every sensor, tool, and robot in a massive data web. If a robot in the assembly line discovers a more efficient way to tighten a bolt, that data is instantly shared with every other robot in the facility. The factory itself is learning and becoming smarter with every passing hour. Machine vision inspection systems are the final gatekeepers. High-speed cameras capture 1,000 frames per second, checking for microscopic cracks in the metal or imperfections in the skin. If the AI detects even the smallest anomaly, the robot is pulled from the line. Perfection is the only acceptable standard in this high-stakes game. Energy optimization is another hidden secret. The factory uses AI to shift power loads based on real-time electricity prices and solar output from its rooftop panels. It is a sustainable titan, proving that the future of heavy industry can be green. This efficiency is what keeps the production costs and the final price competitive. We often get asked, when can I buy one? While the answer is complex, the technology is moving faster than anyone predicted. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed to Hidden AI Factory. We're tracking every breakthrough as it happens. Now, let's look at the collective intelligence system. These robots don't work in isolation. A dedicated AI robotics coordination system allows a team of humanoids to work together on complex tasks, like assembling an airplane wing or building a house. They communicate via low-latency signals, moving as a single multi-limbed organism. Their coordination is nothing short of flawless. Predictive maintenance systems ensure the factory never sleeps. By analyzing vibration patterns and thermal signatures, the AI knows when a bearing is about to wear out. It orders a replacement part and schedules a repair robot to fix it during a micro lull in production. The result? Zero unplanned downtime in over a year. In the ethics and safety lab, researchers work to ensure these machines remain beneficial. They simulate edge cases, scenarios where the robot might face a moral or safety dilemma. The goal is to hard-code a level of empathy and caution into the silicon. It's the most difficult part of the entire engineering process. The sheer speed of manufacturing is breathtaking. What used to take months of manual labor now happens in hours. As the factory scales, the cost of these humanoids will drop from the price of a supercar to the price of a family sedan. This democratization of high-tech labor is the real revolution. Every robot leaving the factory carries a digital twin, a virtual copy that lives in the cloud. This allows engineers to monitor its performance throughout its entire lifespan, sending software updates to improve its skills or patch bugs remotely. Your robot literally gets better while it sleeps. The future is a constant update. As we look at these rows of completed humanoids, we have to ask, what does this mean for us? Automation is no longer limited to repetitive factory work. With the birth of the general-purpose humanoid, almost every physical job is on the table. It is a transformation of the global economy on an unprecedented scale. In the United States, this could spark a manufacturing renaissance. High-tech factories like this one can bring production back home, reducing our reliance on long, fragile supply chains. But it also raises urgent questions about the future of the workforce. How will we redefine work when machines can do it all? Beyond the warehouse, these robots will revolutionize aerospace and military applications. Imagine humanoids performing maintenance on the International Space Station or conducting search and rescue missions in environments too dangerous for humans. The potential to save lives is just as great as the potential to disrupt them. ethical questions loom large. Should a robot have rights? Who is responsible if an autonomous machine makes a mistake? These aren't just technical hurdles. They are deep philosophical challenges that society must address. The factory creates the hardware, but we, the people, must create the framework for its existence. What will the next generation of factories look like? We are already seeing designs for self-building factories, where humanoids are sent to a remote location to build the very facility that will then produce more of them. It is a loop of exponential growth that could eventually lead us to the stars. Reflecting on this journey, it's clear that we are at a crossroads. The technology inside the hidden AI factory is a mirror of our own ingenuity and ambition. It represents our desire to transcend our limitations. But as we create machines in our own image, we must decide what humanity truly means. The silence of the finished warehouse is powerful. Thousands of eyes, currently dark, waiting for command to wake up. These machines are the culmination of centuries of human dreams, from the clockwork automatons of the past to the neural networks of today. This is more than just a technological milestone. It is a partnership, humanity and machines, working together to solve the world's most complex problems. From climate change to space exploration, these silicon allies will be by our side, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The future isn't coming. It's already here. As the sun sets over the massive factory complex, the lights inside stay on. The machines continue their tireless work, building the next generation of their own kind. We are standing on the precipice of a new era, a world where the best robot isn't just a machine, but a bridge to our future. The era of the humanoid has begun, and the world will never be the same. If you're ready for this future, like this video and subscribe to Hidden AI Factory for more exclusive looks into the world of tomorrow. What would you do with a humanoid assistant? Tell us in the comments. The future is waiting.